Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the third chapter of history, that is of the first farmers and the herders. Okay, dear students, you already read about the two stone ages in previous chapters. First one is Paleolithic, second one is Mesolithic, and now we are going to discuss the third stage, that is of Neolithic period. Okay, and better you know this stone age, Neolithic age, is started near about 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, and there were dramatical changes occur on the earth. Okay, what were the changes we will discuss first. First one is the earth getting start warmer. Okay, and the whole part of the earth, maximum part of the earth was covered with the ice, and then those ice started melting. Okay, then there the rivers flooded, water was filled in the rivers, and people started to grow their own food. Okay, and for the protection of their crops they started permanent settlement. Okay, then they realized the need of animals. Okay, so they started rear animals. Then afterward the invention of wheel. Okay, for the different purpose they had started to use, and then the invention of fire. These all type of dramatical changes occur in the Neolithic age. Okay, so this period is known as Neolithic Revolution. Clear? So first of all we will see what type of changes occur in the farming. Okay, dear students, you know early man was nomadic. Okay, means he wandered here and there. Okay, but when there was a facility of water by melting of the ice, they had started to grow their own food. Okay, firstly they grow barley and wheat, the first crops. Okay, afterward they introduce new crops like rice, oats. Okay, and these type of crops they have started. For then afterward rear animals, domestic animals. Okay, so first of all you already read about that. Okay, first animal was reared by early man, by human, that was dog. Okay, after that when they started growing crops, the human being realized and they are need of other animals for carrying loads. Okay, for transfer their crops one place to another. Okay, for any other purpose, for getting milk, for getting wool, for getting other things, skin. Okay, they rear different type of animals like cows, sheep, goat, etc. Okay, so afterward when they realized they have crops also, they have animals, and it is difficult to move here and there. Okay, if they will move from one place to another, then who will protect their crops? Okay, so they realized permanent settlement should be there. Okay, so they made some houses. Okay, they made underground houses to protect themselves from heat and cold. Okay, the technique was very good of their houses. Okay, they made in triangular, in a circular shape, in a rectangle shape. They just make the hut, means on the surface there is only roof, and in between the roof there is one hole, and they use that hole for going down into the house. Okay, and so they make this type of houses. They used bricks, bamboos, etc. things to make the houses. Okay, afterward, but say the invention of wheel. Okay, people realize that there should be one thing which they can their life make it very easy. Okay, the one day the person saw that one log is rolling down from a high place, from the mountain. So they got idea from that कि yes, we can use logs, okay, and make the round shape or cylindrical shape of any of log use from the piece of wood, and install that on the flat surface, under the flat surface, okay. Then they make cart, and it will be easy to carry their loads from one place to another place, okay. So afterward they use this idea, and it make their life very easy, and that wheel they used in pot making procedure also they use that wheel, okay. So their life now get very changed. So this time the people realize that it is the time when we can get new ideas, okay, and make the life more easier, okay. I hope you clear. Thanks and have a nice day.